To nap, catch some Zz's with ease. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a very common and relatable phrase, to nap. If you've ever felt tired during the day and just needed a quick rest, you've probably taken a nap. But what exactly does to nap mean? Let's explore. To nap means to take a short sleep, especially during the day. Unlike a full night's sleep, a nap usually lasts for a shorter duration, ranging from a few minutes to a couple of hours. It's that little break we take to recharge and refresh. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. 1. After lunch, I like to nap for about 20 minutes to feel refreshed. 2. The baby naps twice a day. 3. I was so exhausted that I napped on the couch as soon as I got home. Notice how the word can be used in different tenses? It can be flexible in usage, just like any other verb. There are various reasons why people decide to nap. Recharge. A quick nap can help to restore energy. Boost mood. Feeling a bit down? A nap might just lift your spirits. Improve performance. For those who need to be alert, like drivers or students, a nap can enhance alertness and performance. Health benefits. Some studies even suggest that napping can be good for the heart. Sometimes, English language speakers use other words to convey the same idea. Here are some synonyms for to nap. To doze. To snooze. To catch 40 winks. To take a siesta, borrowed from Spanish but sometimes used in English. And there you have it. Next time you feel the need to lay down and rest for a bit, remember that you're not just sleeping. You're deciding to nap. We hope this video has shed light on this simple yet essential phrase. Keep learning. And don't forget to catch those Zz's when you need them.